Recent production of Oatly's advertisement for a 5.5 million US dollar for Super Bowl slot did not get the level of attention it needed. The advertisement was prepared at a fraction of cost with the CEO Tony Peterson singing with a keyboard and the product display made at a mini space near the bottom of the frame. Watch it now.
Wow, no cow. No, wow, no cow. No, wow.
For dairy farmers in Maharashtra, the pandemic-induced slowdown is not only over, but dairies have now started their farmers paying more than the pre-COVID milk procurement rates. This week, dairy giant Sunfresh Agro, owner of brand Prabhat, announced an increase of Rs 1 per litre from their present procurement price of Rs 29. At present, the dairy which procures mainly from farmers in Ahmednagar, Pune and Nasik is paying the highest rates in Maharashtra, Rs 30 to 31 per litre of milk. Prices in Maharashtra had dipped to around Rs 20-21 at the peak of the pandemic. At present, the SMP is retailing at Rs 250 to 270 per kg, while white butter is priced at Rs 300 to 320. Shri R.S. Sodhi, MD, GCMMF said India has around 1.5 lakh tons of SMP and 50,000 tons of fat with various dairies. He added that their collection increased by 17% to present 295 lakh litres per day. Overall, there is a dip in milk production in the country, but Maharashtra dip is quite sharp and the present price range is expected to continue till October. The government has ordered an inquiry into the books of Mother Dairy Fruit and Vegetable Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of NDDB. Responding to a question in the Rajya Sabha Ministry of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs, Anurag Thakur said an inquiry under Section 206 of the Companies Act 2013 was ordered. Section 206 of the Companies Act gives the Registrar of Companies the power to call for information, inspect books and conduct inquiry into respect to any company. MDMF FPL had reported losses amounting to Rs 142 crore in the year ended March 31st, 2019. It reported loss of Rs 249 crore in the year ended March 31, 2020. Though the status of the inquiry is not known, sources say it could be in relation to a complaint by an individual alleging fraud amounting to about Rs 1000 crore at the company or linked to investment of Rs 190 crores by Mother Dairy in IL&FS in August 2018. Dairy farmers from several districts in Andhra Pradesh urged the government to put in place quality checks in the procurement of milch cattle, alleging that buffaloes and cows that they had bought in recent years were of poor health with less than 1 litre per day of milk yield. The farmers complained that irregularities were taking place in the procurement of milch buffaloes and cows and appealed for measures to ensure procurement of high-yield cattle in order to save the dairy sector. Currently, YSR Chayuta scheme for supply of milch animals to the women beneficiaries in the state is going on. Under the scheme, milch cattle of Murra, Gir, Sahiwal, crossbred Jersey and other varieties will be supplied by agencies from Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Haryana to the farmers in Andhra Pradesh. However, some companies were allegedly supplying poor qualities buffaloes and cows for the last few years, causing huge losses to the beneficiaries. A few persons who were facing allegations of scams and irregularities had also filed tenders for supply of animals and caused huge loss, the farmers alleged. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi made some pertinent points on the much needed farm reforms and did well by mentioning the contribution of dairy farming in his Rajya Sabha address this week. Watch his sharing here.
दूध उत्पादन किसी बंधनों में बंधा हुआ नहीं है, न पशुपालक बंधनों में बंधा हुआ है, न दूध बंधनों में बंधा हुआ। लेकिन मजा देखिए, दूध के क्षेत्र में या तो प्राइवेट या कोऑपरेटिव दोनों ने एक ऐसी बड़ी मजबूत चेन बनाई है, दोनों मिलकर के इस काम को कर रहे हैं और एक बेहतरीन सप्लाई चेन हमारे देश में बनी है। इसको हमने जो अच्छा है उसको, और ये मेरे काल में नहीं बना है, आप भी इसका गर्व कर सकते हैं, मेरे काल से पहले बना हुआ है, हमें गर्व करना चाहिए। फल सब्जी से जुड़े व्यवसाय में ज्यादातर बाजारों का सीधा संपर्क रहता है, बाजारों की दखल हट गई है, इसका लाभ मिल रहा है। क्या डेयरी वाले, फल सब्जी खरीदने वाले उद्यमी, पशुपालकों की किसान, क्या जमीन पर कब्जा हो जाता है, उनका पशुपालन पर, पशु पे कब्जा हो जाता है? नहीं होता, दूध बिकता है, पशु नहीं बिकता है जी। हमारे देश में डेयरी उद्योग का योगदान कृषि अर्थव्यवस्था के कुल मूल्य में 28% से भी ज्यादा है। यानी इतना बड़ा हम एग्रीकल्चर की चर्चाएं करते हैं, इस पहलू को हम भूल जाते हैं। 28% कंट्रीब्यूशन है और करीब करीब 8 लाख करोड़ रुपयों का कारोबार है। जितने रुपये का दूध होता है उसका मूल्य अनाज और दाल दोनों मिला ले तो उससे ज्यादा है। हम कभी इस तरफ देखते ही नहीं है। पशुपालकों को पूरी आजादी, अनाज और दाल पैदा करने वाले छोटे और सीमांत किसानों को जैसे पशुपालक को आजादी मिली है, इनको आजादी क्यों नहीं मिलनी चाहिए? और इन सवालों के जवाब हम ढूंढेंगे तो हम सही रास्ते पर चलेंगे।
This week, a letter urging the United States Olympic and Paralympic Committee (USOPC) to stop promoting dairy products to athletes was printed as a full-page advertisement in 3 daily newspapers in areas where USOPC training facilities are located. Written by vegan activist and cycling champion Dotsie Bosch, a silver medalist for Team USA in the 2012 London Olympics and founder of non-profit Switch for Good. The letter points out that despite its duty to support athletes and promote optimal health, USOPC counted the tobacco industry as a sponsor in the 1980s. Bosch's letter follows a similar demand undersigned by 9 Olympic and Paralympic medalists sent to the USOPC in October, which the organization dismissed. In our neighboring country, a dairy drink is launched in the guise of dairy milk. Nowhere in the advertisement the word milk has appeared. On the label, it talks about dairy solids with soy lecithin. It is evident that the company itself is not hiding the fact that the product is not pure milk but an alternative of it. The problem is the explanation is not reaching the masses. People consider Umang as inexpensive Tetra Pak milk, which obviously it is not. How many of the housewives will bother to inquire about what exactly a dairy liquid is? General perception is that the company is offering Umang at such competitive price because it is not full cream milk as being offered by other companies. That's the reason for bringing a dairy logo by FSSAI in India, which would just be used for the pure dairy products. So no confusion of any sort by the smart jugglery of words by the marketers. Watch the advertisement of Umang now.
उमंग में आती है खुशुम्मीदी जब मिल जाए इसमें कुछ खास, जैसे माँ के प्यार की मिठास। या तजुर्बे की जर्द रोशनी।
दादी से छुपा ये क्या किया है? कैसे होमवर्क करें?
बड़ों की दुआ भी घुल मिल जाए।
दादाजी।
घर भर की मनमानी इसमें समाए, इसको और खूब तर बनाए। पर घर के बाहर इस खुदा की नेमत को रहना चाहिए कुदरत सा शफाफ। इसीलिए उमंग है हर मिलावट से पाक, ग़िज़ाइयत से भरा। डेयरी उमंग, कुदरत सा शफाफ।
Thanks for watching Dairy News 7x7 channel with news update from last 7 days. To continue receiving update from this channel, I, Kuldeep Sharma, request you to subscribe this channel and share and like the video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.